Why, hello there, ladies and gents, and welcome to IVG Moto channel and Pilots with you. And today we're gonna show you how I clean the chain on my motorbike. To clean the chain, I use WD-40, the trusty old lubricant and cleaner. It works for everything, and it's scrubby shit. I don't know what that is, but got it out of the pantry in the house, and fuck pantry, not pantry, the other place. Regardless, so we're gonna grab those two. You need a piece of cardboard, a newspaper, or a magazine will do. And that's just to cover the area where you will be spraying. That will just help you to make sure that the shit does not go all over your wheel and everything else on the bike. So you put it down like that, and you grab your WD-40, give it a good shake, good shake, and start spraying. Not spraying. No, alright. And spray now. Yeah, there we go. That's the spraying start. Yep, there we go. It's spraying real well, and you can see straight up, like literally so much crap is coming out of your chain. It's not funny. WD-40 is amazing like that. It's just like gets in there, doing the shit, like making it magic happen. And then you scrub it with a scrubby thing that just makes that all the hard bits come off. Scrub it real well, and yeah, you just basically gauge yourself as to what the progress looks like depending on the dirtiness of your chain. Then give it a little once over with the WD-40. That will just make the stuff come off even better. And yeah, don't be shy on the WD-40. One can like that will do the job, and as you can see, it's friggin' beautiful. Now I decide to give it a bit more of a scrubbing action and just make sure that it's real, clean there. So I just grab the cardboardy thingy and sort of give it a bit more WD-40 spraying action, and as you can see by the cardboard, there's still plenty of crap coming out from underneath. And once I'm satisfied with the result, we can put that aside. Unfortunately, because I don't have a stand, the bike stand, I kind of have to work around the bike, and later on we'll be moving the bike around the backyard, so that's a bit of an annoying part. Now, realizing I made a mistake here, but it's kind of too late to go back. Shit's going all over my wheels, so I'll just have to deal with that later and clean it up. Best of all, just stick to your work area like I did in the beginning and just rotate the wheel. Once again, it sort of came to be because of the fact that I couldn't be fucked moving the bike, even though I'll need to do that regardless quite shortly. But I'll spray that shit further, and as you can see, heaps of crap is coming out. We'll speed up the action from here, and basically we're just gonna be moving the bike up and down and getting the chain cleaned all around, and we'll see what the result is like shortly. Hopefully it will be good. Now we'll speed it up from here, I guess. And now that we have gone over the chain, we grab the rug like this, or anything you've got available to spare in the house. And basically we're just gonna dry this shit, and because WD-40 is also a lubricant, you can easily use that and nothing else for the lubrication of the chain. I've saw many motorcyclists do that. Now, because I've gotten the fucking shit all over my bike, I'll be wiping over half of the bike as well. But the idea is to you don't want your chain to be excessively lubricated, so you just wanna give it a once over with the rag, just to make sure that all the stuff comes off, all the crap is off the chain, and it's only the nice and fresh lube that's on it. So we're basically gonna do a reverse of what we did before, and we're gonna move the bike around the backyard and just clean it off and dry it off like that, to make sure that the chain is nice and clean. And we'll see we'll get the result quite shortly. And we're up to a moment of truth on our efforts. All up, it took about half an hour to do, and look at the chain. It's clean, it looks almost brand new, and it's definitely something you should be doing for your bike. It will make the life of your sprockets and the chain itself much longer, and it's a very well rewarding experience. Hope you do it yourself and this helps, and you have a good day. Bye.